In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Upwork certificates to your profile. This is a valuable way to enhance your professional presence and showcase your qualifications to potential clients. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Upwork homepage. This is your central hub for finding work, managing projects, and most importantly right now, updating your profile. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, find and click on Your Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your work experiences, skills, and certifications are displayed. As you scroll down this page, look out for the section labeled Certifications. It might be partially hidden, so don't hesitate to keep scrolling until you spot it. Once you've found the certification section, you will notice an option to add manually or import from Credly. For the purposes of this guide, we'll be focusing on the manual add option. So click Add Manually to begin the process of entering your certification details. Now, here's where you can select the specific certification you want to include. A widget will pop up allowing you to select your certification. Take your time to look through your options, and once you've found the certification you're looking to upload, click on its name. This ensures that the correct details are added to your profile. After selecting the certification, it's time to input its details. Start by entering the issue date. This is important as it shows how recent your qualifications are. If your certification has an expiration date, you can enter that as well, though it's optional. What this means is you won't be required to fill it if your certification is lifelong or you're unsure of the expiration. Next is the certification ID. You'll find this on your actual certificate, and it's crucial because it serves as a unique identifier for your certification. After you've entered these details, there's one more optional field available. You can include a certification URL. This is useful if you have an online verification or more detailed resource linked to your certificate. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, you will see an Add Certification button. Clicking on this will finalize the process, and your certificate will now be part of your Upwork profile. This small addition can make a substantial impact on how clients view your qualifications, so congratulations on taking this proactive step to enhance your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully added a certification to your Upwork profile. Thank you for joining me, and happy freelancing.